and new knife holder. I design it on SolidWorks in 50 minutes. The STL file is in my website long3dprinting.com.
You are dead to me, 'cause what you said to me.
The print takes over 1 day. That's too long, because it has so many retractions between grooves.
And now you're dead to me. 10, you're selfish. 9, you're jaded. 8, the dumbest guy I've dated. 7's like a big game till you're naked. Only 6 seconds and I had to fake it. 5, you're toxic. 4,
Wow!
can't trust you. 3,
After 1 day, the knife holder is done, with alternate 3 colors.
I can't undo. I hate the fact that you made me love you.
Let's take it out of the heat bed sheet. It is so rigid, and the weight is up to 450 grams. Now let's put all knives in. While they're fit perfectly and aesthetically stand, it can hold all types of knives in my kitchen. Follow me to see more interesting 3D printed steps. Finally put it in its place.